Let us now begin with the main lecture for today. We begin by answering the question, how should the dead body be preserved in the 3.5 days immediately after death? Keep the corpse in a room, in a solitary environment, devoid of any noise or disturbance. Put it on an appropriate platform, covered with ice blocks. A bathtub, if available, is not bad. The ice blocks should be replaced as their effectiveness reduces. But once the 3.5 days elapse, the body can now be taken to the morgue. There are dangers in taking the body immediately after death to the morgue. And these are the dangers. 1. Mortuary attendants may mishandle it. 2. Embalming may take place whereby the residual blood in the body will be drawn from the veins and medicine injected into the body. That is so painful. It is so painful to the dead because the body is partially dead. It is only partially dead. And the third danger is that medical examination may be done to determine the cause of death. The corpse is consequently dissected. This is another painful moment for the dead. There are stories about some of them even moving their limbs to hit the surgeon or attendant in protest. Yes, some of them do so because they were only partially dead. Under the circumstance, the dead feels the pain and agony of torture. The sad case is that when they yell, the living, being spiritually dead, does not hear them. But when post-mortem examination is done after the 3.5 days, when the silver cord snaps, the dead feels no pain. That is why it is important to do these things only after 3.5 days. What happens at the funeral?
Filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all this.